Yo, what's up guys? It's your boy Chubbs here, coming at you with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made some coasters out of resin and other various materials. So let's get creative. So most of the products that you see in this video, I got them on Amazon. I just searched them up and there's a whole bunch of options. Really, it just depends on how creative you can get. There's a whole bunch of different types of molds. I just went with some round ones and they were about 4 inches in diameter. And then I also went and got some pigments, black diamond. I just did some research and saw a lot of people use those, so that's what I went for. Disposable cups, there's multiple kinds. Just make sure you get ones that has measurements on it so you can be real precise when you're pouring your resin. And then for the resin, there's a whole bunch of options, but I actually got my resin at Home Depot because it was a lot cheaper. It was like $22 for a quart, and that's the cheapest I could find. Then I just waited for everything to get to my house. So this is my first time actually working with resin, but I gotta say it's super easy as long as you're following the instructions on mixing times and temperatures. That's really about it. Just gotta make sure you mix everything really well, because if not, it won't cure right. But like I said, it's super easy, super simple, super fun, and you get some really cool outcomes. Like, look at that color. But yeah, just make sure I mixed everything up, mixed all the colors up good, then I just started pouring. After pouring them into the molds, I tried mixing and moving the resin around just to try to get some different patterns. I did some swirls and then just kind of left one be on its own, and then kind of really went crazy with the one in the middle. After that, I just hit them with a torch just to remove all the bubbles, and you just kind of want to be quick about it. You don't want to keep the flame on one area too long. You don't want to burn that resin. Then I just left them to cure overnight. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Let me know what you guys think down low in the comments. Like it if you like the video. Subscribe if you want to see more.